of on Mac. Install Python, projects, scripts. Install UV with Astral's official standalone installer. No Python needed. Source your shell config. Verify the install with UV version. If that works, you're in business. Can install Python itself, so you don't need pyenv plus. Ask list installed interpreters to confirm the exact build now available on your Mac. Initialize a new project with UV init. It writes pyproject. Open the project folder and you're ready to add dependencies without extra setup. Add both resolves dependencies and creates a virtual, and then use UV run to execute project commands inside the synced environment. Locking records exact dependency resolution and sync installs the environment. Use UV tree for a fast dependency view without leaving the terminal. Also manages single file scripts with inline. Add requests to the script, then run it in an isolated environment. No manual venv dance.